So, I'm Shauna Dorman, and I learn best by telling stories instead of memorizing things directly. And so, to help me understand the sphenoid bone, there is a story. So, it's about a cowboy who saved his girlfriend. So, we have a cowboy named Stephen. So the sphenoid bone is named after Stephen, our cowboy. Stephen, our cowboy, sits with his girlfriend, Sella Tersica. And you can see the saddle right here. So he sits with Sella Tersica in the back. And then he put his he has a love serum, so he puts that love serum in the foramen serum, and you can see that right there. And then his boots go in the foramen ovale right here, and then his spurs go in the foramen spinosum, and then this girl, Sella Tersica, is really wanted by other men, and so there are men chasing them. And so our cowboy Stephen looks through his optic canal and he sees bad men chasing him, and so he starts shooting rounds through the foramen rotundum. And those bad men keep coming and coming. And this horse that he's riding has wings. And so this horse starts flapping the greater wings. And then the horse uses the lesser wings to fly high and get out of there. Oh, our couple is so tired. They finally land safely, and Stephen, he is a hero. He gives his girlfriend, so we're looking at the skull underside, and this is at the roof of our mouth, and he uses the medial. So they're tired, they want to eat some food, he's kind, and he uses the medial pterygoid plate. He gives that to his girlfriend, Sella, first, and then he is second, eating off of the lateral pterygoid plate. So that is the sphenoid bone. I've left out a few, such as the superior orbital fissure and the inferior orbital fissure, because I feel like those go with the eye, and I made up a different story with those. So anyway, that's what I use to learn the sphenoid bone. Hopefully it helps you.